Hi friends, let me show you this elevated dog bed that I received for reviewing purposes, and it has a heating pad also, so you can use it so your pets can rest on it, but also indoors and outdoors. If the weather is too cold, you can use the heating pad and they will be more comfortable. Okay, you get the assembly instructions. Let's do it. This is the heating pad, okay? It has 9 different heat temperatures and 4 different time spans to work, 4, 8, 12, and 24 hours, and 1 to 9 different hot levels, okay? You just plug it in and you're ready. There we go, okay? And the heat pad goes inside through this. It's ready. Let's try it. Okay. First, let me show you. Okay. This is a temperature control. Okay. So now it is on temperature 5 for 8 hours. Okay. You can change the timer 4 hours and 4, 8, 12, or 24 hours, and the heat from 1 to 9. Okay. Depending on where is it. Okay. Okay. And the heating pad, it starts working immediately. So you can have your pets comfortable indoors or outdoors in winter time. Even if there's snow or cold weather, they can be comfortable with the heating pad in this elevated dog bed. Perfect. And of course, you can use it outside with the timer and the heat level, even for cold weather outside. Your pets will be comfortable even outside. Perfect. Hey.